Now, in the given question, we have the magnetic potential energy stored in a certain inductor is 25 mJ when the current in the inductor is 60 milliampere. Then this indicates this inductor is of the inductance. Now, for simple, we will use the simple formula of magnetic potential energy, which is half L I square. Now, by putting down the values of the question in this formula, we will be able to get the value of the inductance, which comes out to be 13.89. In this case, it's the first option which is the correct answer for this question.